Okay, here we are in the long saga of me and my Gaggia Classic Plus PID installation, and after many agonizing hours of trying to get the right wires where they needed to be, I now have, as you can see, power to the front of the machine, which is the way it's supposed to be, and power to the PID at the right temperature, because I'd say that's about the temperature of the boiler currently. And I am feeling so happy about that. So now the idea is to as we can see here in my instructions, to set this PID up so it will set the proper brew temperature and the proper steam temperature. So I will let you know how that goes. I am quite happy so far. So we'll see how this goes as we go on. There's the big bundle of wires that goes to this PID that I had to redirect and reroute and reconnect things and redo the power at the back of the machine. So anyway, that right there is a very good sign. Okay, I'll see you at the next video.